Alright, welcome back. So last time we installed Java on our computer, and now we want to verify we installed Java. So let's go to terminal one more time. So let's go to terminal, and let's do Java dash dash version, and we get 11.0.2 or whatever you downloaded, whatever, 11 or 12, doesn't matter. And then let's go ahead and go to Chrome and download Intellij, which is going to be the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, that we're going to run our Java code on. So we're going to build our Java code there and also run it. So let's type in Intellij. It's kind of hard to type. It's Intel and then Lij, download. And then we'll have the first link, which is jetbrains.com/idea/download. We'll click that. And here we can actually select the operating system we want to download on, whether it's Windows or Mac or Linux. In this case, it will be Mac. And we have two options. We can either download the Ultimate Edition or we can download the Community Edition. The Community Edition is free, so we're going to download the free one. Now, the Ultimate does come with a free trial, but it is very expensive after the free trial. So let's go with the Community Edition. So we want to download a DMG file. So we click Download. And then that's it. And then you wait for it to download. Now, I already downloaded it, so after downloaded it, let's open your IntelliJ. And yours will be 2019.1.3. Mine will be 2018.3.3. So mine's a little older, but that's fine. So let's click Create New Project. And let's select the SDK you recently downloaded. So if you have multiple SDKs, you want to. By the way, SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So our Java Software Development Kit is going to be, the one we pick is the one that's going to be the latest one. So for me, it's 11.2, which is 11.0.2. And then we're not going to select any additional libraries or frameworks. We're going to click Next here. And then we're going to create a project from template. We're going to do Hello World. And finally, we're going to select a location for our project. So I actually created a projects folder, but it'll create it for you automatically. So just in your location, type in /projects/ let's call the project test. Oh, can't spell. And let's click finish. So I already have a test, whatever. Actually, I'm sorry, it said that I didn't have a test. So it's going to create it for me automatically. So it's going to create that path for me because it's not there. So it should be the same for you. It should have a path project/test already. So now you will see we have a main class, main.java, and we have a main method. And you don't really have to know much about the main method here. All you have to know is that this is going to output hello world on your console. So let's go ahead and run this. Will take a while. So it's compiling and building. And when it's done, you should see Hello World on your console right here. That shows that you're able to install Java and install IntelliJ and run Java in IntelliJ. This is a big step. Now, if you don't get this, hit Command : or semicolon, and make sure project SDK is the latest one, which it should be because you set it. Your SDK language could be either default or just set it to 11, doesn't matter. Either way, it's going to be 11. Your module should be also pointing to 11. And then your SDK should be pointing to, you should have the SDK here. So if you don't have anything here, it means that your path is wrong. It should be library/java/java virtual machine/ JDK 1102.jdk/content/home. Alright, and also make sure if you do command, comma, make sure that if you go to build, execution, deployment, then you go to compiler, then you go to Java compiler. Just make sure that, well, you might not have to set it, but set your bytecode version to 11 or 12, depending on what you have. And then run it again, and you should get the Hello World pop-up. It is really slow, by the way. The paid version is a lot faster. So there we go. So we got Hello World to pop up. on our screen, and now we can actually start writing real Java code, which we'll be starting in our next lesson. Thank you very much.